Hi there. In this Windows tutorial, we'll learn how to create a new folder on Windows operating system, and we'll see some different ways to do that. To create a new folder, right-click for example, on the desktop. Right-click on the desktop and choose New uh, Folder option. Click on it. You'll get a new folder with the name. You can just delete and give the folder name, for example, my folder. So this is one way to create a new folder, and the other way is using the keyboard shortcut. You can press Ctrl Shift N together. You'll get a new folder, say, and give the name of the folder. Let's say folder 1. Okay, so you can also create using command prompt or launch the command prompt. Mm, So just navigate to the place where you want to create the folder and give mkdir, make directory, and the folder name. Let's say folder 2. Hit enter. This will create the folder 2 on the desktop, as you can see here. Okay, so these are different ways to create a folder on Windows 11. Thank you.